Nestled in a valley, Oak Haven lies embraced by towering mountains and lush greenery. Here lived Ran, a blacksmith renowned for his skill, but infamous for his tardiness. His forge, usually a symphony of clang and sparks, often remained cold and dark until well past sunrise. Warnings from his father and the village elders fell on deaf ears. Ran believed his nocturnal work ethic compensated for his late mornings, a belief that proved tragically flawed. His nights were filled with the rhythmic hammer blows, the orange glow illuminating his determined face. Yet, the village awoke to the vibrant bustle of the day, while Ran remained shrouded in the shadows of his workshop. He missed crucial meetings, vital discussions, and important orders, his reputation slowly tarnishing with each missed sunrise. The annual Oak Haven Festival loomed. The village chief, a stern but fair man, needed a magnificent iron gate crafted for the event, a task of immense importance. Ran, despite his talent, was overlooked. The commission went to Elara, a blacksmith known for her punctuality and diligence. Elara's gate, finished days before the festival, was a masterpiece, its intricate design drawing gasps of admiration. Ran watched from his forge, the sting of regret sharper than any piece of unworked iron. He sought solace from his grandfather, a wise old man with eyes that held the wisdom of generations. The grandfather, sensing Ran's despair, recounted the tale of two farmers, Dev and Ram. Dev, an early riser, enjoyed bountiful harvests and a peaceful life. Ram, perpetually late, found his fields yielding meager crops, his life a constant struggle. The story resonated deep within Ran. He realized his lateness wasn't just about discipline. It was about missed opportunities, about being perpetually reactive instead of proactive. A profound shift occurred within him. He resolved to change. The next morning, Ran awoke at 5:30 a.m. It was a struggle, a monumental shift in his ingrained habits. But he persisted, creating a simple routine. A brisk morning walk through the dew-kissed fields, followed by stretches and a few moments of quiet reflection in his journal. He chronicled his progress, each entry a testament to his growing self-discipline. Slowly, steadily, Ran transformed. His work improved, his orders increased, and his reputation soared. The village once again saw the brilliance of his craftsmanship, enhanced by the punctuality that had been missing for so long. Ran's story became a legend in Oak Haven, a tale whispered from generation to generation, a reminder that even the most skilled among us can be hampered by a single, seemingly insignificant flaw, and that the dawn holds the key to unlocking our greatest potential.